rusting. Rust forms when oxygen reacts with iron on the surface of an iron or steel object to form iron oxide. Iron oxide is porous, which means that air and moisture can easily get through the rust to reach the iron underneath. To prevent rusting, we need to create a barrier between the iron object and air. Coating the iron object with a thin layer of a metal such as chromium or zinc, which does not rust, helps protect the iron surface. Tabs and door handles are covered with a layer of chromium using a form of electrolysis called electroplating. Steel roofs, water pipes, and nails are coated with a layer of zinc to prevent rusting. This is called galvanizing. When the surface of a galvanized object is exposed to air, zinc quickly reacts with oxygen to form zinc oxide. Unlike rust, zinc oxide is not porous. Zinc oxide forms a protective layer and prevents oxygen or water from reaching the iron surface. Roofs can be painted to prevent it from rusting. Paints keep away moisture and oxygen for a period of time, but only until it peels off. Applying a layer of oil is useful to protect some objects, such as a bicycle chain, from rusting. As oil and water do not mix, oil prevents water from coming into contact with the iron.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Nasky to help you. Anytime, anywhere.